welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you the Light Transitions Pack. This is a great tool for you that are a video editing creator.
Crazy effects, flicker effects, glare effects, simple colors effects, soft effects, soiled effects.
And now we will explain to you how to use the Light Transition Pack. Watch the tutorial and start to create fantastic videos.
Welcome to the Light Transitions tutorial. Let's see how to use this very useful tool. Import the Light Transition Pack into your video editing software. You can buy the full version, which includes 107 transitions. Or you can download the free version that includes 6 transitions. Transitions are divided by categories: crazy effects, flicker effects, glare effects, simple colors effects, soft effects, soiled effects. All clips of the full version are in 4K with a resolution of 3840 pixels by 2160 pixels. Each transition consists of 2 clips, a clip in and a clip out. You can also use them separately or combine the different effects. Also, the clips of the free package are in 4K. Here you can find a transition of each category. 6 transitions that can become many more if you combine them. As always, we have reserved the best for you. Let's see how you can use them in your video projects. Let's start with a transition from the crazy category. We select and drag the container into the timeline. We place the in and out point of the transition above that of the 2 clips in the timeline. We're working within an HD project and our transitions are in 4K. For this reason, we must scale them to the size of the frame. Now, let's modify the blend mode of the transition clips. We set to screen. We copy the opacity, paste it on the clip out of the transition. Done. We can immediately check the result. It's fast and easy. Let's try the other transitions. You can even customize clips by changing the speed. Reduce speed to create a striking effect. Drag the transitions into the timeline at the point of detachment and attachment of the clips in the timeline. If you work in HD, scale the clips to the frame size. Edit the blend mode of the transition clips. Set to screen. With the Light Transitions Pack, you can create fantastic effects in just a few seconds. Let's look at all the transitions contained in the free Light Transitions package. You can also combine the different transitions using the in clip of a transition and the clip out of another transition. In this way, you can have lots of combinations and create custom effects. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to receive new content, videos, tutorials, and effects. See you soon!